Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. Please, this is Jeff Associate. If you have not subscribed yet, do so as we jump straight in. The first question is asking us to differentiate the function y is equal to 10 over 2x squared plus 1 all to the power 5. And the second question is a polynomial with degree 3. It's saying that if f of s is equal to s cubed plus as squared plus bs plus 3 and a and b are constants, when we divide that function by the factor x plus 2 to the power 2, the remainder is 0. We are supposed to find the values of a and b and the zeros of what? F of s. So let's jump straight in. Let me bring my board in so that we start. So let me just cover this side so that we solve the A solution. For the A says that y equals 10 over 2x squared plus 1 to the power 5. And we are supposed to find dy ds. This one can be written as what? Y equals 2x squared plus 1 all to the power negative 5, reciprocate. So if I find my dy, ds will be equal to, this negative will multiply this 10. So I have negative 50 by 2x squared plus 1. And I'll subtract negative 1 from this one, which will give me negative 6 times. I'll differentiate what? The inside. That will give me what? 4x. Because when I differentiate 1, I'll get 0. So that's how can we get the 4x. Therefore, I'll just simplify this function to get my solution. 4 will multiply the 50, I'll get negative 200x into bracket 2x squared plus 1, negative 6. So further simplification will give me minus 200x over 2x squared plus 1 this square plus 1 to the power 6, and that's it. That's my dy dx as the first question says. Now let's come to the second part of the question, which is this, which is saying that if s squared plus as squared plus bs, so let's write the function, the b part of the function, that what? F of s equals s cubed plus as squared plus bs plus 3 when divided by the factor s plus 2 square, which is the same thing as saying s plus 2 times s plus 2. The resultant is 0, so I have s plus 2 equal to 0. Then I'll get s to be what? Negative 2 at both sides. So what it means is that if I have f of minus 2, that will be equal to 0. If I factor negative 2 into the function, this, I'll get what? 0. That is what it means for the first part. So if I do so, I'm going to get minus 2 cubed plus a minus 2 square plus b minus 2 plus 3 equal to what? 0. This will give me minus 8 plus 4a minus 2b plus 3 equal to 0. If I simplify, I get 4a minus 2b equals 5. That will give me what? Equals to 1. Now if I find the derivative of this function, so f prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2ax plus b. And I know that at the turning point, let me just write it here, at the turning point, it looks like my sheet is not working, so let me just write it small over here. At the turning point, f prime of, at the turning point, f prime of x should be equal to 0. So that's what that means. So let me just bring my new sheet so that we jump. So at the turning point, we had that f of x should be equal to 0. So I'm going to equate f prime of x should be equal to 0. So I'm going to get 3s squared plus 2ax plus b should be equal to 0. But I know that my s is minus 2, which will give this equation 0. So I'll get 3 minus 2 square plus 2a minus 2 plus b is equal to 0. When I simplify, I get 12 here minus 4a plus b is equal to 0. When I simplify, I get minus 4. I get minus 4a plus b is equal to what? Negative 12 as my what? Equation 2. So if I add equation 1 and 2, so equation 1 plus equation 2, when I add the two of them, where's my equation 1? This is my equation 1. 4a minus 2b equals to 5. And then this is my equation 2, minus 4a plus 2b. So let me just bring them together. Let me bring the 4a down. 4a minus 2b equals 5. So this is it. This is the 1. And this is the 2. Minus 4a plus b equals minus 12. That's the 2. So when I add these two, this and this will give me 0. This will give me minus b. Because when I add this, I'll get what? Negative 7. Therefore, b will be what? Positive 7. That's it. So I can substitute b into any of the equation. So let's just say that I substitute b into what? Equation 2. So I'm going to get, put b equals 7 into equation 2. Equation 2. That will give me minus 4a plus 7 equals minus 12. So I get minus 4a equals, the 7 will go when I subtract, I'm going to get what? Minus 19. So I have a equals what? 19 over what? 4. So that's what is going to give me. A is going to give me minus a. Therefore, I have that a equals what? 19 over 4 and b equals what? 7. So these are the values of what? A and b. Now the third part of the question says that we should find what? The zeros of what? F of s. So that's it. So let me just take my new sheet so that we find the zeros of what? F of s. So let me add it here. So the I zeros of f of s, and that's what we are just going to find right now. Now where is our f of s? Our f of s is going to be s cubed plus as squared plus bx plus 3. But we know the values of a and b already, so we just substitute. So we are going to get, this one is what? 19 on 4s squared plus, the b is what? 7 plus 3. So that's the f of s. We are going to find the zeros. But we know the factor. The factor is what? S plus 2 squared, which is the same thing as saying that s squared plus 4x plus 4. So if I do a simple division, I'm going to get s squared 4x plus 4 is plus 19 on 4 s squared plus 7x plus 3. So to get this one, I'll multiply here by x. So x will be here, s times this, s cubed, s times this, 4s squared, s times this, 4x. So I'll just do my subtraction here. This one give me 0. So this one will be 0 dash. When I subtract this from this, 19 over 4 minus 4, that should give me 3 over 4 s squared. If I subtract this, I'll get what? 3x. I'll bring my 3 down. What do I need here? I need plus 3 over 4 times this one. I'll get 3 over 4 s squared plus 3 over 4 times 4x. I'll get 3x. This time this, I'll get plus 3. When I subtract, I'll get 0, 0, 0. So that give me my factors. Therefore, my factors will be s squared plus 2, s squared plus 4x, sorry, this one is 4x plus 4, and then the top one that I just get here, this one, x plus 3 over 4, which will be equal to 0. But I know this one to be what? X plus 2 all squared, x plus 3 over 4 to 0. And this one, when I simplify as first, we have x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 3 over 4 equal to 0. So this and this will always give me what? S equals negative 2, s equals negative 2. Then I'll get s equals what? Minus 3 over 4. Therefore, the zeros of the function f of x, the zeros are this: minus 2 and minus 3 over 4. Thank you. So that is what we have for today. Please, if you have any suggestion, any question, you can give it to me on the comment section. And please, if you like the video, if you like the knowledge applied, if you understand, you can subscribe. If you have any comment, you can let me know. If you have any question, you can let me know. Thank you for watching. Let's meet next time in my next video. Bye.